Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a Citibank account online. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, if you're using your phone, all you need to do just go and download this Citi app application. So it's basically will look like that. Whether if you're using an Android, you will find this in the Google Play, or if you're using an iPhone, you will find this in your iOS. I'm trying to open it just to show you how this look like. But if you're in a PC, of course, you'll have just to go to whatever preferred browser you want, go to this URL section, type citi.com, hit the enter button, and you'll find yourself here in the home screen or main screen. So all you need to do, go to this top right option, register or activate, both works. So click on register, and here you will have to start creating or registering, or you can even go here and click on open an account, and simply, of course, you'll have to choose, or first of all, you'll have to enter where you live as example. So at the moment, of course, I'm just going to enter like a random place. So let me look for, as example, a zip code. So US zip code, whatever, I don't care about it. uh, Random. So I just want like a random zip code. Yeah, I'll just get this one as example, enter it right here, click on submit. And yeah, so as you can see, you can apply for a checking account, saving accounts, or certificates or deposits. Of course, depending on whatever you want, you can simply go and click on open accounts. As example, a checking account, click on open accounts. You can choose regular checking or access checking. So an example, I'll just choose regular here, click on open accounts, and then I'll have to follow the steps provided to me here. Basically, it's going to be filling up some informations like personal informations, verifying my ID, and entering the employment and income, set up online access, agreements and disclosure, and then transfer funds if I want to. And of course, the app will look like this. Basically, you can just go and download this and do basically the same that you can do here online in the app, and you should be then good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.